Easy to use and fun to look at, there's a lot to like about the Firepod grill. It's a propane-powered pizza oven and grill that delivers perfectly cooked pizza in your backyard or patio. It's portable and easy to set up, and it has the versatility to become your all-around go-to grill. Firepod heats up to a pizza-perfect 600 degrees in about 10 minutes with just the push of a button, and it cooks a fresh pizza in about 4 minutes. You can't beat its mod retro look, complete with solid wood handles, knobs, and legs either. This scaled-down grill is packed with loads of features. The lid is removable for easier cleaning and access to what's cooking, and the front door helps keep heat in. A rear stopper keeps pizza in place, and top ventilation helps prevent burning. Firepod comes ready to party with pizza cooking essentials, as well as a carrying strap that secures the lid while you're on the move. And you can opt for a double-sided griddle to expand the grilling possibilities to meat, veggies, and more. Maker Tim Henderson had the best pizza of his life while visiting the Italian Alps. He found out the secret was cooking it at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature standard home ovens can't reach. After trying out several pizza ovens, Tim decided to make his own that does the job and more in a user and backyard friendly way.